Hello guys, and welcome back to another Unity tutorial, and today we're going to be making a player movement. So, the first thing you want to do is just create a plane or cube. We're just going to create a plane. Make sure it's 0 on the X, 0 on the Y, and 0 on the Z, so it's centered right on the map. And we're just going to increase this to double. Alright, so you can call this ground. And you can get a material for it. Here, let's just create a new material, call it ground. Let's make it, just do that. Now we're gonna go into main camera. This we'll just put there. So now we want to import our cube. So what we just can do is make sure this is 0, this is 1, and this is 0. But I can put this to 0.5. Oh, sorry. And then you can see that's right on top of it. So now we can set a material to this guy so it stands out. So we'll just call him player. Rename him to just player. Now we're gonna put this to a red. Just gonna put him on. So you can see that it's very noticeable. And make sure that he's on the center of that, and he is. Alright, so we're gonna make sure he is on the center. There we go. And now we're gonna click on player, add new component, and we're just gonna call it cube. Right, and then we'll create a new C# script. We're gonna go into it. Okay, so alright, now we're gonna keep the 2 using tags. You can get rid of the slashes, but you don't need to. Now we're gonna do first, we're gonna make some space up here, do a public float move speed, and this will be for forward and backwards. Then we're gonna public float again, sideways speed, and we're just gonna have that. Now in the void start, we're gonna have move speed is equal to, let's say, 5F. Then we're gonna have sideways speed equal to 4F. Now we can leave this out of here. This will just be setting the move speed that we can edit in the inspector. Now in void start, we're gonna do transform dot translate 2 parentheses and so we want to do sideways speed times input dot axis get axis, and another one horizontal. And the reason why we're putting horizontal there, because if you see, we can go into project settings input, and then axes, and then horizontal will move left and right, and it's called horizontal, so you know. So basically Unity has already created movement for us, we just need to put it into some code. So we can click both of these open. There also is fire, jump, mouse X and Y, but we're not gonna worry about that. So to go back into mono develop, and then we want to do here times time dot delta time. Then we're gonna want to put wait. Hold on. I need to see something. Alright. So now we're gonna bam, put 0F. Now we're just gonna put 0F there. Now we save it. We go back into Unity, and nothing will appear here. Yeah, sorry, I screwed it up. I forgot the semicolon. Remember the semicolon. What? Hold on. I'm not the best at this. Hold on. Let me see something, guys. Cause hold on. So if I go into my previous game, I was missing a piece of the code, which is bad. So hold on, let me fix this. Alright. So I am really sorry about that. Because which one are we doing? Here we go. Alright. So we're gonna put this on another line and then bam. So now we're gonna do move speed times input dot get axis, axis, and then we're gonna have another opening, and we're gonna put vertical in here. Alright, now we're gonna do times time dot delta time. That's right. God dang it. You gotta remember your capitals, and then you're gonna want to finish that off. There. So now, what you want to do is you can close it and go into player and see that you want to set this. So I'm going to put this to 5 and that's 4. Now if we click play, and see that we move by pressing W, A, and D, and we can move by using the arrow keys. And it's a lot easier than adding forces with Rigidbody, but I can teach you guys next video. So hope you guys enjoyed this one.